Hello, how's everybody doing? This is Cat Fan Comics Man, and I'm here with my weekly comic book haul. It's a little bit late, it's Friday, but this is the first chance I get to actually do something I want to do other than my daily show, but we'll go ahead and get started. I have another unboxing to do too. This one will be in this one because it's just something from Temu, or I think that's how you say it. Anyway, it's a small haul this week. First up, we have Captain Marvel #1. This is the Jonathan Tyler Christopher negative space variant, and I really like this cover. It's really cool. So, definitely a must. Then we have The Amazing Spider-Man #36. That's the only one I got of it. I had to make sure. This is the A cover. They'll all be A covers unless I mention otherwise, but I always got to pick up my Spider-Man, so that's the second cover. I only have 9 covers this week, so. Then we have Dark X-Men #3. This is the Dan Panosian variant. I thought that was cool. Awesome view. I love this. Then, with Halloween soon approaching, we have Hallows Eve #1, The Big Night, cover A. Then I have Uncanny Avengers #3, A cover. We have Uncanny Spider-Man #2. This is the A cover, and for some reason they sent me 2 A covers, so I have an extra one. So that'll probably get thrown into a giveaway or something because I have a variant too. So, which leads me to the next book, is Uncanny Spider-Man #2. And this is the Rose Beige variant cover. I really like this one, so I had to pick it up. It's a really cool cover. I think it looks awesome. Totally awesome. Then we have X-Men Days of Future Past Doomsday #4. And of course the A cover. But it's a good cover. And then last but not least, I had to pick it up. It's, you know how I am about X-Men. So I picked up the facsimile to the Uncanny X-Men #129 from 1979. Had to pick it up. And it's a good cover too, so a must, a must, a must, a must, a must. And those were my comic book hauls for this week, so not a lot, really. Now, I'm going to tack onto this is my Temu. Yay! I got a couple items. I'll probably have to put them together on a short or something, but I did get a statue of Naruto with a stand, or Naruto with a stand, and he comes with his weapons and everything, and he's got a dagger in his mouth. He's really cool looking. If he didn't show up, I'll show it up close. So, and then, if any of you have been watching the series or watched it, One Piece, the anime, on Netflix, I think. I picked up Ace. And he's a really cool looking figure. He is the older brother. I've been watching more anime thanks to Trev, the shipping guru. He's like, if you're gonna rip the cards, you gotta watch the anime. So I've been watching the anime. So this is really cool. Oh, wow. And he's got his tattoo on the back. But I think that is awesome. And Temu is so cheap. You wouldn't even believe what I even paid for this. It's a 10-inch statue. I paid more for the Naruto than I paid for Ace. But I love it. Well, that was my unboxing haul for today. I hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, and comment in the section below. I'm going to probably put this together in high speed on a short because I'm out of cards. So unless I come up with a plan on getting some cards to rip, I'm out of shorts. So I've got to do something. So, I like the Naruto, though. He's really cool. But this Ace statue is just gorgeous. So cool. Anyway, like I said, please like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget about my daily show Monday through Friday. And also, voting is still open for the Comic Book Community Awards, where I'm up for Best Ongoing Series overall. I'm up against some biggies, so I'm probably going to take last place anyway. But hey, at least I'm going to try. Why the hell not? Enough people voted for me to get me into the finals, so thank you. I really appreciate it. And the next video you'll be getting from me is another unboxing of a win that I received from the Adventurous Joe. So we'll be seeing that coming up soon. So this is Cat Fan Comics Man, and I'll catch you on the flip. Over and out.